Welcome back to day 3 of our cycle. Actually, we are here to check if our chicken are still in a good temperature, and as well as checking our feed and our drinkers. So it seems like we are out of water. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna refill my drinkers, and then feed is still okay. So yeah, man, it seems like day-old chicks or your chicks can drink 4 liter by 4 liter. How much is it? It's 8 liter, né? They drink 8 liter of water for 3 days. Since I came here on Friday, and then I never refilled my water or anything, and then now I'm here to refill the water. Seems like this drinker here, it just got finished, but you can still, it's still a little bit wet, and then the other one it's almost finished. So we're gonna refill our water now. Remember, the water that we're gonna refill in is the water that has been mixed with respect. And then yeah, man, that's basically what you do. There's not much work to do when your chicks are still young. And then yeah, you can see we still have our newspapers on the floor. I'm gonna be taking out these newspapers after 7 days or 14 days. It depends on how wet the newspapers will be, but I normally prefer taking them after 14 days. And then we're gonna be increasing the space as well as our brooding corner increase as our chicken grows as well. So so far it seems like we still have all our chickens. There's non-mortality, everything still looks good, everything still looks amazing. At least load shedding, it haven't been striking that much on us today. Seems like we're having a cold front. There's a snow that happened in Namibia, so we're having the after effects in Limpopo. But so far things looks okay, things looks good. All my chicks looks amazing. Yeah, man, that's it. Let's go and refill our drinkers now. Yeah, that's what you basically do when you come for your daily routine as a poultry farmer or a broiler farmer. So you just come, check if the chicken are still okay, if you don't have non-mortality, and as well as if your chicken feed still there and then the water is still there. Otherwise, you just check if your lights are still working properly and you're brooding whatever you're using to brood your chicken is still working properly anyway. So thanks for watching the video. Remember, subscribe, share, comment, and like. We are out of here. That's Makwala Agri for you.